I ain't drunk, I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Monday night. I hope you all survived. Got a new toy. Gonna share it with you. Just a quick overview of a new, relatively new VTX. Bam! It's by Holybro. It's the Atlatl Atlatl, yeah, okay. HV, so it's a 5.8, it's a VTX, a 7 to 42 volt input, 25 to 600 milliwatt. Now, I'm going to show you, there's two reasons I like this machine. Hang on a second, let me clear off my little doohickey here. The two things I like about it. One, the biggest problem with VTXs is the mounting solution, right? You've either got a VTX 03 type, which is what I use a lot of in my quads, or you've got the old school Eachine, like 600 milliwatts. But this, I like the fact that you can mount it to a 30 by 30 setup. Very, very nice. So standard type of stack, we can hook her up. It's got a mic, which I don't really use, and it has a pigtail already on it, which is really, really cool. When I use the VTX 03 in builds, I always have to add a pigtail to it, which I'm not overly thrilled about. So this is really, really cool. So that's the first thing I like about it, is you can actually mount the damn thing somewhere. The second thing I like about it is you can hook this up to your flight controller, to your UART, set it up, and you can control the channel, you can control the pit mode, if you will, you can control the frequency that you're on and the power, all from your Betaflight or Butterflight OSD, okay? Very cool. So in the box, obviously, we got the harness. You get an extra heat shrink, or a heat shrink, I should say, and a harness, nut and washer, nothing fancy. And that's it. If you go to the Holybro website, you can download the manual for this in PDF. Holybro is one of the few manufacturers of this stuff that actually has their stuff together with that. So that is really, really cool to do. So again, we've got, let me read the specs off to you. Output power, 0.5 milliwatt. That's pit mode, if you will. 25, 100, 200, 400, 600. Audio is 6 megahertz to 6.5 mono, which, you know, I don't know. Some people do like that. I don't use it. You like to hear your props, you know, things like that. Input voltage, this is also nice. It's 7 to 42 volts or 2 to 6S LiPo, whereas like what I use, VTX 03, is 100% 5 volts. You go too hot on the voltage, sorry about that, big old truck. You go too high on the voltage, bam, you smoke them. So that is really, really nice. So for those of us that are building 6S setups, this is a great solution for that. Dimensions, again, 35 by 35, 30-30 mounting, which is all good and happy. Now, what you want to do, you've got 4 wires coming off of here, right? You've got your negative, your positive, your video signal in, and then you've got your communications cable, which is going to go to a UART, okay? So you're going to take a UART, like say UART1, transmit from your FC to this wire, and then you're going to go into that UART in Betaflight or Butterflight, whichever you're using, and go into IRC tramp, okay? Over all the way to the right, under peripherals, go down to the UART you're using, go into IRC tramp, select it, hit save, complete, reboot. It reboots it, bam, there you go. Now you can go into your Betaflight OSD and set up everything that you want to set up. So, very, very cool. I actually have one of these in my plane, which hopefully within the next week or two I'll get a decent flight on, and you guys can see the FPV on it. But this one's actually going to go into a quad. Let's see what she weighs. Some people care about that. With the pigtail, 10 grams, not too bad. So, it's a nice unit. It stays reasonably cool, the one that I used in the plane. I did put the heat sink on that one. In the quads, I will not be using the heat sink because in the plane, it's in a concealed area. But in a quad, I don't think it's really going to be necessary. So really, that's about it. So I'll put a link in the description of where I got mine. It's down there. Let me know what you guys think. I love the fact that it's got its own pigtail. It is removable, which is really, really nice. So yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll. So until next time, kids, keep shiny side up. Take care. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.